Hello, this is ShortMeTina at ShortMeTina.com doing a quick video analysis of ticker symbol NETE. So we're gonna more or less stick on the minute chart. I looked back at the 30-60 daily, and this for me gives me as much information, or it gives me as much information as I need to make a relatively decent analysis. So like most of these stocks, they usually run right out the gate, which this one is no exception. It closed yesterday at around 11:12, opened this morning at 127, and it shot up all the way to around 160, 165, which is a pretty decent run. It spent the majority of the remainder of the first half going into afternoon trading range bound, right? So if you look here, it ranged from around like 150 to 172. 150 to around 171 before finally selling off towards the ending of the day. And towards the ending of the day, we again found ourselves in a little range and a little channel right here between 134 and around 145. So for me, first level of support would be trading within this last hour or two, right? So first level of support, if you want to buy this stock, is around 134, but I actually would not buy this stock at 134. That's too much of an obvious support level. First level of resistance you're seeing right here is 144. So let's go through resistance. If we pass 144, I think the next stop for this stock is 153, and if we can pass 153, then I think we get to 165, 170. So those are your levels of resistance. In terms of level of support, again, the first one that we're paying attention to is the one we're kind of sitting on right now, is 134. So if you're in this stock, if you want to trade this stock, the first thing that you should do is kind of look at the trading activity pre-market to see how it reacts around these levels and during the opening bell. If it looks like buyers are stepping in and they're holding up 134, then 134 is a solid level of support. I personally, just looking at this, don't think 134 is a solid level of support. And if I was to actually enter in this trade, I'd probably wait until it sells off to around the day's low of 113, 110, and then I'll buy around there. So again, levels of support I would say would be 113, 110. I would go long around there, but first checking to see what it did at 134. If you actually get the stock at 110, 113, I probably see a little bit of a bounce to where we closed, maybe a little bit lower, giving you a gain of about 15 or 20%, something like that, or 15 to 20 cents rather. So ShortMeTina, ShortMeTina.com, doing a video recap for ticker symbol NETE.